Hey, what's up? I had to figure out how to screen record, my fault. Hi, I'm the character Rackler. Sorry if you don't like my channel. I don't really care. I'm gonna be posting because I want to. I'm currently chatting with Roger Kefley. My character is Val, also known as Valerie, but I only use Val because I like favorites. It's just on my channel. I don't care about this. This is my channel. Hold up, I have to go to home. It won't let me do that. But yeah, this is my channel, but feel like a jelly bean. This is true. And yeah, I'll switch that over. Get out of that. And yeah, so we're chatting. Hold up, I just gotta open like Spotify. My account. This is like a dupe account for my other account, which I can't post videos on, but I can make drafts on. And it'd be like really cool and stuff. If you don't like everything is close, just listening to Monster from Epic Musicals. Song. I don't care. Hold Sorry, I spelled it wrong, but it still comes up. Something like that. I'm using my Google account. You guys do not know. Sissy Dunner. I don't really care. It's fine. As long as y'all don't try to yeah. I'm trans, but it's fine. Let me go on my birthday. See, my birthday is April 23rd, 2025, I guess. Well, yeah, I guess.
How has everything been turned against us? How did suffering become so endless? How am I to reunite with my estranged?
Okay, there we go.
Do I need to change? I'm surrounded by the souls of those I've lost.
This is interesting.
I'm the only one whose line I haven't crossed. What if the greatest threat we'll find across the sea is me? What if I'm the monster? What if I'm in the wrong? What if I'm the problem that's been hiding all along? What if I'm the one who killed you every time I cave to guilt? What if I've been far too kind to foes, but a monster to ourselves? What if I'm the monster? Is the Cyclops struck with guilt when he kills? Is he up in the middle of the night? Or does he end my men to avenge his friend and then sleep knowing he has done him right? When the witch turns men to pigs to protect her nymphs, is she going insane? Or did she learn to be colder when she got older and now she saves them the pain? When a god comes down and makes a fleet drown, is he scared that he's doing something wrong? Or does he keep us in check so we must respect him and now no one dares to piss him off? Does a soldier use a wooden horse to kill sleeping Trojans just 'cause he is vile? Or does he throw away his remorse and save more lives with guile? If I became the
Should I
monster,
draw?
threw that guilt away, would that make us stronger? Would it keep our foes at bay? If I became the monster to everyone but us, and made sure we got home again, who would care?
Oh
if we
wait,
were
I like just made this.
I became
Steve personalized it.
oh, ruthlessness is mercy.
Now no
upon
judging when I do
ourselves. And deep down I know this well. I lost my best friend, I lost my mentor, my mom, 500 men gone. This can't go on, I must get to see Penelope and Telemachus. So if we must sail through dangerous oceans and beaches, I'll go where Poseidon won't reach us. And if I gotta drop another infant from a wall in an instant so we all don't die, then I'll become the monster. I will deal the blow, and I'll become the monster like none they've ever known. So what if I'm the monster lurking deep below? I must become the monster that will make it home.